Hello friends, in this video let me show you a very common habit among many Excel users, but I don't call it as a good habit while typing the data. For example, they need to create some columns and they need to create some column headers and they are creating some database. Then for example, this column width is not long or maybe is short. So I need to use mouse to set them, else I need to practice a shortcut. Now this is the problem. So what is the habit? They use the mouse, they drag and they drag. So is that a right habit? You need to decide. It will take a lot of time if you have many columns. So I am going to show you one small trick where just keep the cursor there and the column width is automatically set, and you need to use a private sub procedure. Let me show you how to create it. The code is already written, so you need to just see how to get that. It's a single piece of code and you're going to do it. For example, let me open another sheet. So let me show you the code first and let me type the same code for this sheet now. So let me jump into VBA, that means Visual Basic Editor, Developer, and then go to Visual Basic. There I need to select the sheet 1 where you can see the code. So I have created a private sub procedure and then I have created this much piece of code, that is selection.columns autofit. So now let me impose on this on sheet 2. It is a sheet based or a worksheet procedure, so you need to create this code on each sheet. So since I have added a new sheet, I'm just double clicking on the sheet element in the project explorer. There I need to change this option to like worksheet, because it's completely it's a general module. So let me select it to worksheet. Then I can see that there are certain events are appearing. These are all called worksheet events. So now you need not worry about, for this particular activity, you need not worry about what I'm talking about here. Only thing is just follow what I'm just doing it. But in my VBA complete course, you will see why this is to be done, what are the benefits of it, etc. will be discussed in there. But now you need to just see this. So worksheet, because we are using worksheet events, and worksheet event name is selection change. So in any worksheet, if you say change any selection in a cell, whatever you are typing now will happen. That is, whatever you select, that is selection dot columns dot autofit. Let me change the text size. Yeah, I think you guys can see now. Private sub, that is automatically activated since you are selecting selection change, that is the event. In that event, this need to happen whenever you select any cell, whatever code you have written, that is selection.columns.autofit need to happen. Now let me go back to sheet 2 now. Since it is a sheet event, you need to be in that sheet only. So let me close it, and now I'm in sheet 2. So let me type any text which is beyond the text width, and then now if I come back to that cell, you can see the column width automatically getting set based on the content in that particular cell. Hope you like this video, and if you have any questions, you can mention them in the comment section. If you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe and tell many people who wanted to know these kind of tips and tricks. Thank you very much for watching. Keep watching.